Urix and the objects. Urix is a pink creature. It is very hungry. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A pencil. Oh no! What did Urix eat? Some scissors. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A book. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A chair. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A glue. Oh no! What did Urix eat? Some color pencils. Oh no! What did Urix eat? Some papers. Oh no! What did Urix eat? An eraser. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A sharpener. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A ruler. Oh no! What did Urix eat? A clock. Poor Urix. It's so hungry. Don't cry, Urix. Eat an ice cream.
Delicious!
What objects do you remember? Answers. Repeat. A clock. A ruler. A sharpener. A chair. Some papers. A glue. Some scissors. Some color pencils. A book. An eraser. A pencil. Very good! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Find this free worksheet to color. The link is in the description. Thank you.